Let's go find Adelaide's best waterfall. It recently just rained, so the waterfall should be looking amazing. My calves are burning going up this thing. I'm still out of breath. I can't lie, I'm actually kind of lost. Like, there are so many directions. And those signs don't tell me shit. And it is starting to rain. Alright, whatever, we're going this way. I can hear the waterfall now, which means we're close! So it turns out you can't actually see that waterfall from the ground, but there's another one down there, which I'm gonna go to. Holy shit. Oh my god, it's starting to rain, but have a look at this. Oh! Follow for the next side quest.